The set of rules applied by Verissimo in a linting session are specified in a ruleset XML file. You can easily create and maintain rulesets using the Verissimo Ruleset Editor. Let's create a new ruleset from scratch. First, we generate the ruleset editor using the command line. The editor is in fact an HTML file, which can also be generated from DVT IDE. When opened, the ruleset editor is in rule select mode, where you can browse all available Verissimo rules. Use the filter to quickly find the rules you need. Simply click Add to Ruleset to add a rule under its predefined category. Alternatively, you can select one or more rules, click Add to Category, then choose New Category and fill in the category name. After adding all desired rules, switch to Rule Edit mode. Here you can change the name, title, description, and parameters for the selected rule. You can also duplicate a rule and change its attribute values to create a new instance of the rule with a different configuration. Of course, you can also remove rules if needed. The rule set is now ready to be generated. By default, only the modified rule attributes will be written to the XML. What if you also want to include some of the defaults? For example, the title and all parameters of the rules. Click Generation Preferences, and here you can specify which attributes to always include, or choose to add additional information about the rules or their parameters. Finally, click Generate Rule Set and choose the location for the file.